This tutorial is going to show you how to back up your WordPress website using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. This tutorial is in response to a viewer who had a question about how to do this for their WordPress website. So if you have a question or a topic you'd like to see, send them in to me. Follow the link at the bottom of this video to get to my website and submit your contact question, or leave your question in the comments and I'll be happy to help. As always, please remember to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when new video tutorials come out. Let's get started. To get started, let's head over to our dashboard and go into our plugins and add a new plugin. We're going to add the all-in-one WP migration plugin. It's the first one. Let's install it. Then we'll activate it. And now that it's ready, let's try looking at an export. We want to use the export to Dropbox to make things quick and easy. And that is an extension plugin that is $99. So you can purchase that and it'll give you a zip file download, and then we'll use the add new upload plugin feature. Grab the file from where it's stored locally in my utilities Dropbox extension. Open it up. It should be ready. Now we just need to click the Install Now button. It'll upload the plugin and install it, activate it, and we're good to go. Now let's go back to do our export. Or first, we'll set our Dropbox settings. You need to connect it to your Dropbox account so that it can move the files to it. Link it to my account. That's me. Once that's all connected, we're back here to our settings. These are some backup settings. We'll do that in a moment. I want to know if it fails, and when it's complete, send it to my email address. Update those settings. I also want to tell it I use fast internet servers, so I'll set that. Click the update, and now we're ready for an export. Back to export. Choose Dropbox again, and it starts preparing. Checks everything for compatibility, starts compressing the files into an archive. We're done. Connects to Dropbox and starts the upload process. This is a pretty small site, so it's going to go pretty quick. You can expect longer upload times the larger your site is, and we're done. So we'll close out of that, and we've created a backup in Dropbox. And to take a look at it, we'll go to first, actually, we're going to configure the automated backups. We want to set it for sometime early in the morning when the site doesn't have a lot of activity. 2:45 a.m. is pretty good. And we can choose how frequently we want to back up. This one we'll just do every week a backup. We'll go down and choose the update to set everything. And now we're ready to take a look at the import. Click on import, tell it we want to get it from Dropbox. It'll connect, give us a list. We'll choose our sandbox site. There it is, done 1 minute ago. And if we're really going to import it, we click this import button. We'll just close out of it here. That's it. Quick and easy backup using the all-in-one WP migration plugin with the Dropbox extension. If you have other questions about WordPress, feel free to contact me at natthompson.com/WordPress-help. You can enter questions there, or you can always email me at nat@natthompson.com. I'd love to help you make the most of your WordPress website. So feel free to send me your questions, comments, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, thanks everyone. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when new tutorials come out.